The ultimate Asian-inspired sesame ginger salad for a flavorful meal. If you're looking for a salad that's light, refreshing, and packed with bold flavors, this Asian-inspired sesame ginger salad is exactly what you need. It's the perfect balance of crisp vegetables, a nutty sesame dressing, and a hint of fresh ginger to elevate your taste buds. Whether you're serving it as a side dish or making it the star of your meal, this salad is a guaranteed winner. Ingredients for 4 servings. For the salad: 4 cups mixed greens, romaine, spinach, or Napa cabbage. 1 cup shredded carrots. 1 cup thinly sliced red bell pepper. 1 cup sliced cucumbers. ½ cup sliced red onion. 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro. ½ cup edamame, optional, for protein boost. 1/4 cup sliced almonds or toasted sesame seeds. ½ cup crispy wonton strips, optional, for crunch. For the sesame ginger dressing: 1/4 cup soy sauce. 2 tablespoons rice vinegar. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup. 1 tablespoon freshly grated ginger. 1 teaspoon minced garlic. 2 tablespoons sesame oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon sriracha, optional, for spice. 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds. Juice of ½ a lime. How to make it: prepare the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce, rice vinegar, honey, ginger, garlic, sesame oil, olive oil, sriracha, sesame seeds, and lime juice until well combined. Assemble the salad. In a large bowl, toss the mixed greens, shredded carrots, bell pepper, cucumber, red onion, cilantro, and edamame. Drizzle the dressing. Pour the sesame ginger dressing over the salad and toss gently to coat everything evenly. Add the finishing touches. Sprinkle sliced almonds, toasted sesame seeds, and crispy wonton strips on top for extra crunch. Serve and enjoy. Let the flavors blend for a few minutes before serving. Why you'll love this salad. This sesame ginger salad is not only incredibly easy to prepare, but it's also bursting with fresh, vibrant flavors. The crisp veggies provide the perfect texture, while the homemade dressing brings a delicious umami depth with a touch of sweetness and spice. Customization ideas: add protein, grilled chicken, shrimp, or tofu make excellent additions. Make it heartier, toss in quinoa, brown rice, or soba noodles. Extra crunch, swap wonton strips for crushed peanuts or cashews. Spice it up, increase the sriracha for a more fiery dressing. Final thoughts: this Asian-inspired sesame ginger salad is a must-try if you're craving something healthy yet incredibly flavorful. The homemade dressing makes all the difference, giving it that authentic, restaurant-quality taste. What ingredient would you add to make this salad even better?